In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to access Planner in Teams. Begin by launching the Microsoft Teams application. Once it's open, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you need to locate the app known as Tasks by Planner and To Do. Alternatively, if you're specifically working within a team channel for your project, you can find the Planner tab directly there. After you've accessed the app, it's time to select your plan. Navigate to the My Plans section on the sidebar. This is where you can choose an existing project board you've been using or start a fresh one if necessary. Now that you're set up, let's move on to adding a new task. In your chosen project board, look for the plus Add Task button. You'll typically find this button at the top of a column, which is often referred to as a bucket. Click on that button and you'll be prompted to enter a task name. It's important to type in a clear, action-oriented name that provides a quick insight into what the task entails. With your task name ready, let's set some task details. A crucial part of task management is assigning members to ensure accountability. Select the specific team members who will be responsible for this task. This means they will receive a notification which keeps everyone informed and engaged. Next, you'll want to set a due date for the task. This helps your team to stay organized and ensures that everyone is aware of deadlines and milestones. It's a great practice to keep your projects on track and avoid any last-minute rush. Adding labels can be particularly useful as well. You can use color-coded labels to categorize the task by priority or work stream, which will make your board much easier to scan and understand at a glance. This visual organization makes it simpler for team members to prioritize their work. Once you've filled in all the details, it's time to finalize and track the task. Click the Add Task button or simply hit Enter to create the task card on your board. Congratulations, you've now added a task that your teammates can view and manage. An outstanding feature of Microsoft Teams is that any task you create here will stay synchronized between the web version of Planner and the Teams app. This ensures that the entire team is working with the same up-to-date information, allowing for better collaboration and project management. And there you have it. Creating tasks in Microsoft Teams can enhance your team's productivity and organization. Remember, keeping everyone informed and engaged is key to successful project management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.